In this video I'm going to show you how you can detect what is happening to the price according to candlestick patterns and price action, as you can see here in this chart. In many cases when you are looking at charts, when you are looking at price action, when you are looking what candles are doing, you can tell by those candles what is happening in the market, where market will be moving next. And today I'm going to talk about this last price action, which you can see here, guys, which has happened here, and when we had this huge pullback. And I will show you guys, because I know that many of you who are new here, new in cryptocurrency, new in trading, new in general, guys. However, I will be creating many more videos on trading. I will be creating more videos on different trading indicators, but I will start with candlesticks and I will start with chart patterns, and I will be showing you how you can simply work with any chart just by looking at chart, and you can detect, or you have a good idea based on charts, based on looking on price actions, where price is going to go. And this will be just a quick video, like I mentioned, where I will simply tell you or explain you the last move which happened here. As you can see here, this huge red candle which just happened here, guys, when Bitcoin pulled back. As you can see, price was at $38,800 and it pulled back all the way to $36,000, guys. And what you see here is the strength of the market. Firstly, if you look at the trend, we are in the uptrend, and currently I'm in an hourly chart, but if I will go, let's say, to one daily chart, you can still see that we are in the uptrend. First thing is, when you are trading, guys, first thing what always should be in your mind is trend. There is a trade in trading, we have such a saying, trend is your friend. If trend is going up, never trade against the trend. This is the first thing. If you will be trading against the trend, you will lose money, because in trading we trade probabilities. In most of the times, we traders who are trading, who are long in the trading markets, we trade probabilities. And one huge thing which gives us huge power is trend itself, because if we see the trend is going up, then we always have to trade with the trend, never trade against the trend. This means that never short market when market is going up, or if there is a bull market. If market is going down and there is a bear market, never long the market if it is going down or there is a downtrend. By the way, guys, for those who doesn't know what is bull market and what is bear market and why they are called like this, is because bull market means the price is going up. This means that bull with his horns, when he is attacking from bottom to up, guys. This is when bull is attacking. And bear market means that price is going down, and this means that bear is hitting with his hand or palm, you call it however you want, from up to down. And that's why we have bear market and we have bull market, only because bull is attacking from bottom to top and bear is attacking or hitting from top to bottom. So this is another thing if you just didn't know this, guys. And now I will explain you this price action which is happening right now. Whenever we get these wicks in candles, they always get bought back up. They always get bought back up, and even we are looking now currently daily price. I will move back to 1 hourly price, because mostly when I'm trading 1 hour chart. Here you can see exactly the same thing. First we had a huge pullback. This means that there was huge sellers. Some seller came in with a huge amount of bitcoins and he decided to dump his bitcoins or dump market, whatever his reasons were, guys. But that was definitely a whale who did this huge pullback, because there you would need a lot of bitcoins to do this pullback. After this time, when we already are here at the very top, I don't believe that there is normal retail sellers left. Most of these people who are here, these are huge whales, and whales which we saw in 2017, those are small fishes in comparison to those whales which are trading now, guys. Believe me, those are small fishes, because these guys who are coming in right now, they are trading much stronger. And I have been trading those markets and I'm trading these markets. If in 2017 we saw price fluctuations like in 1 day or 1 hour, let's say $100, $500 or $1,000, and that was huge move. Then now in 1 hour we can see price fluctuation in thousands. This means that those guys who are selling and who are trading right now, who are whales right now, who are here right now, guys, this is very, very huge money. This is also one thing you should consider and understand, that we have a very huge players here in market in comparison to 2017. Those whales in 2017, those were small fishies to those whales which we are having right now. Like I mentioned, here we had a huge pullback. This means that there was a huge seller who decided to sell, who decided to dump this market or whatever his intentions were, guys, but definitely his intentions were not to get rid of his Bitcoin. Then we see that this was bought up rather heavily, and here by price action, we just only by price action we can see straight away that there is someone who is buying Bitcoin very heavily, because in next hour, in next candle, we can see the same, that there was again attempt to dump the market, but this market was not even dumped so far. This means that the seller, or